हमारा जो आयु लो थो हमारा जो चिन बॉय चलती करा थो हमारा जो चिन बॉय चलती करा थो
Tiri sini inaugurator sumber bangsa Thai Sokaja, His Highness Honorable Dr. Dr. Kishore Manikya, Thai sini chief guest sumber bangsa Maharaj Kumari Pragya Devi. Borok tiri o tidak sumber kolobirui. Oke pada tahunnya tersedia. Untuk daerahnya, sampai tahun bungsung sampai tujuan tahunnya.
On Maharaja's history and the battles with the Sultan Hussain Shah. It's a very relevant book about the history of that particular period. Today we are going to inaugurate the statues of Rai Kachak and Rai Kasol, who were the brave generals of Maharaja Dhanya Manikya. So this book has the history about that period, not only about Maharaja Dhanya Manikya, but also of Rai Kachak and Rai Kasol. And it's available on Flipkart and Amazon. So this is the first copy. So if you wish, you can have a look also, and please purchase the book, because we need to encourage our authors, our young people to come up with such books and to have an interest and do research on Tripura's history. So Boyar is also a member of the organization that I am the convener or the head of. It's called Indian National Trust for Art and Cultural Heritage, INTACT. I'm in charge of Tripura. So he, along with Umang Deparma, we're all working along with other students also and other people. Mr. Mewar also, he also is a member. So likewise, we try to do seminars, programs, exhibitions, writing of books. We publish the souvenirs on Maharaja Veer Vikram. In fact, we were the first to initiate and celebrate his first birth anniversary. So we've been doing a lot of these things, and this book in particular is being released, and we are happy, but we'll be showing you the book later on. We are trying to bring out 2 books which are going to be introduced in the curriculum of our ADC area. One book is in Kokborok and one is in English. So these will be for students. That's a general history of the Manikya dynasty, along with general knowledge kind of questions and answers. And it will be very interesting and a good start, as you all know, regarding Kokborok language. We've had recently the strike and other problems. So this is the right time to give importance to our language. So as a part of this, the TTADC has assigned us with this work to bring out publications in Kokborok, as well as, of course, we're doing it in English for general awareness and understanding, and so that it is there for the benefit of all our community and for the state and for other people also who are interested in the history of Tripura. Thank you.